Chloe, get down, little cat. Oh, that kitty.
She's trying to get into your flower bed?
Yeah. Into yours, Mom. Because you ate this one, huh?
What did you say? Did you say that this is like homeschooling? Learning how to plant flowers?
Yep, because you're only the teacher.
I'm the teacher?
Mm-hmm.
It's a beautiful day.
Yep.
It's really wet though. It rained a lot.
Yeah.
Like a lot, hey?
Yeah.
So we're just planting the seed drill. We're gonna get it all done.
Yeah, and we did, actually Dad.
And you were helping Dad?
Yeah, now we're over here.
Helping me?
Yep.
You got him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and you got your gloves.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Awesome. Good job, folks.
Thank you. Can we do one?
Yeah. We're gonna do that front part. Do you want to start taking the pink ones out? Maybe we'll do pink and purple in here, and then we'll save the red ones for in Willow's garden.
Probably I can do the red ones too in this one.
Well, I think we'll put them in Willow's garden in the big planter.
Yeah, because I still have enough plant for Willow's garden. You mean start doing these?
Yeah, you can take the pink ones. Start taking the pink ones out of the package.
Okay,
You have to just read on the side of the tag. It says if it's red or pink. There's one red one and one pink one.
one purple one and one
Oh,
pink.
wave pink. Easy wave red.
Okay, so we'll save the red ones.
Let's start pin these in, okay? Yeah, and you mean start pin these in?
Are those ones all the purple ones that we took out?
Yeah.
Okay, well we're gonna put those ones up here.
That's what.
Okay, but we're gonna be putting the pink ones there, not the purple ones, right?
What can I do now?
Can start. How many do we have for pink? 6?
6.
Do we?
How many of these do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need 8. So we'll do 2 purple ones on these end ones, and then we'll put a pink one in each
One.
column or whatever.
More under the weeds, Mom?
More what?
More under the weeds?
Sure.
Because, we kind of got some dirt on the leaves.
Oh, did I?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
that's okay. That was me fixing it.
Oh, you're fixing it? Looks good, Oakley.
Man, now we have to fix Sophie's.
Now you gotta fix Sophie's. Are you the master gardener now?
Yeah, and not too much because not on the leaves. Got some on the leaves.
That's so funny.
This is us. This is Backwoods. Follow us on all things social media. That's our Instagram, our Facebook, and our website. Thanks for following along. And if you have fun with us, subscribe to our channel. Helps us out a lot. Thanks, guys. Bye.